Difficult phase of rehabilitation is just a few weeks away. At this point in time, we are trying to provide shelter, tents, mosquito kits, potable water, and medical treatment. We had appealed to our brothers and friends all over the world, and I'm very grateful to those countries and heads of state who have responded to our appeal. And as you know, charter flights are landing all over Pakistan, Karachi, Islamabad, other places. Some countries have started sending important items through rail transportation from Istanbul via Tehran to Islamabad. And the first train has started today, left today Istanbul. Other countries are providing cash, kind. We are all very grateful to all these countries, our great friends, and those who have great empathy for humanitarian cause, and this is a situation which calls for immediate relief and help from global community. I expect that as television channels and mainstream media are reflecting these devastating scenes, I think the response is becoming quicker and very strong, alhamdulillah. Today we have troubled you in this room to let you know. I know you are very well aware of the situation on the ground, but today we'll give you a presentation which will show you what is the situation as of today on the ground in all the 4 provinces. We'll also show you the kind of relief work which is going on under the supervision of federal government, provincial governments, and of course by team effort of Pakistan's armed forces. Dozens of helicopters are in action. Boats are roaming around through shallow and deep water, carrying people, boys and children and women and girls to safe places.